maybe the most frustrating loss you've had all season?
I'm frustrated. Yeah, that's a good word. I think they jumped us pretty good in the first period, and then we came from behind. We came behind, and yeah, we couldn't get it tonight. I think we all battled, but we didn't have that extra step. They play a really good role game though. They keep it simple, and their D were really strong in their own end, and get the puck out almost every time. So just one of those games you have to let go and focus on the next one.
Is it hard to play against a goaltender you never see?
No, it doesn't matter who's in net on the other side. Like all 60 goalies up in this league are really good, but obviously he got a great night, and we couldn't come into the slot against them. I think they really did a good job boxing out, and their forwards blocks a lot of shots to make it hard for us. Just one of those tough losses, and yeah, we just have to focus the next game.
Did you feel like it was maybe a must-win game tonight? I mean,
yeah, it was. Like we got one game in hand them, and not too many points behind them. So obviously this loss is really hard on us right now, but there's nothing we can do about it now. We have to learn about it and come out really fresh here on Tuesday.
How important is it to get that win against Calgary on Tuesday?
It's huge. Like we have to get back on the rail here and get going, at least at home. Like we have to be better at home, and then we go on the road. So yeah, it's a big win for us, but I'm pretty sure we're gonna come up with a good effort.
Thanks, Patrick.
Thank you.